Hey YouTube, it's never done eating.
Come eat with us.
If you like coming to the Delaware beaches and like having seafood, we recommend that you visit one of the JD Shuckers locations.
We went to the Georgetown location and quite enjoyed ourselves. Just look at this outdoor area. It's so relaxing and so beautiful.
How are you? What are you working on? Very cool. And what'd you do on the other side? For the little suckers?
Surprised by these tea-infused refreshers. We chose dragon fruit and peach, and they had the perfect sweetness. Truly lived up to their refreshing name. Oh, and a Shirley Temple, of course, because they're always in the mood for some cherries.
This crab and spinach dip was really good. It was salty and creamy, and the bread was as soft as a cloud, and it was a pretty hearty appetizer.
The ahi tuna was okay. We had mixed feelings about it. I'm questioning using a bed of fried tortilla chips for the base of the tuna, but overall the tuna itself was good. Ever since we watched the documentary Super Size Me 2, we pay close attention to the chicken that is served to us. We were pleasantly surprised when this chicken was served. Our daughter liked it. However, she did say it was kind of dry, so we do recommend getting a dipping sauce with it.
If you watched our Red Lobster video, you probably noticed that we love stuffed mushrooms. And these were perfectly stuffed with the same spinach and crab mixture. wasn't really our favorite. We think the orzo got a bit too mushy, so maybe it would taste better with rice.
Next up were the crab cakes, which we give a solid 4 stars. Barely any filler, but full of flavor. The steam sampler also gets 4 stars. The seafood was very clean. For once, the scallops had no sand in them, and it was the way steamed seafood should be.
Next time you're at the beach, give JD Shuckers a try. Give us a thumbs up, follow our channel along with Facebook and Instagram, and see you during our next meal. Bye!